everybody, welcome back to 12 Days of Christmas Activities by Artsy, Craftsy, Mom and me. Our day 10 activity is to make a paper pine cone. This is really awesome, so let's get started. So we will need a stapler, scissors, a pencil, tissue paper, red paint, artificial leaves, a scale, and 2 sheets of brown paper. First we'll start off by making 4 different size rectangles. Now we're going to cut out the lines we just drew. Here are our 7 rectangles. Now we're going to fold them into a paper fan. Here's our first one. Now we're going to do another one like that. Now continue this for the rest of your rectangles. Now we're going to put them in order on top of each other. Here it is. Now we're going to flip it and put it in the same order at the bottom. Here is our acorn. It's ready. Now we're going to put some cherries to decorate it. We're going to make paper towel balls. Here it is. Now we're going to make 2 more. Now we're going to paint the balls red. Now we're going to glue the balls on the artificial leaves. Now we're going to put the cherries on the acorn. Here's our acorn. I hope you enjoyed making this acorn with me. Do follow us on our page to see more of the upcoming Christmas videos. Bye! See you next time!